Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, children. See, children, yesterday we have seen earlier classes about mirrors, okay, then types of lenses and image formation. Today we will see about, there are two examples, draw and locate. This is one example where draw, and this is given, draw and locate the position of image when point source object, this is the point source object, which is placed on the optical axis M and N of convex lens. This is the convex lens, okay, in such a way that it is beyond f2. It is beyond f2. Now, see, for this, what you do is draw a perpendicular line passing through the focus f1. Yeah. Draw a perpendicular line which passes through the focus. Then you see to it that, then draw a ray. From this ray, you draw a point source from the point, that is object. ये जो object है, you draw a ray which is hitting the convex lens. Now, from point end to meet the lens at P1. Let's say this point be P1. Now, see, also draw a ray which is parallel to the. Now, draw another parallel ray from the point source S such that it is parallel to the which passes through, which parallel to it and also passes through the optic center. Now, see, if the ray, this has to meet at this point and it will meet at this. So, now see, when you extend this ray, after drawing this ray, the point on which it is meeting this plane, so this point, it has to pass through this point. This is what diverging. If it is making an angle, it has to pass through the point on the focal length. So, or appear to meet. So, यहाँ पे it will meet at this focal plane. This is focal plane. Now, see, and when you extend this ray which is passing through this point, that is a parallel ray का इसका point, you will get an image of point size image here. So, now draw a line so such that it means I is the image of point source. So, this is I, which is the image of the point source. Now, see, this is first one. Now, let us come to second one. See, complete the ray diagrams of the path after refracting to the lens as shown. See, this is, ये जो है, this is a lens. Which type of lens? This is convex lens. And this is given in the textbook. See, what will happen to this ray if it hits the convex lens? So, what will happen to this ray if it hits the convex lens? See, for this, if it is hitting the convex lens, first you draw a lane, you draw a plane which passes through the focal, then draw a ray which is parallel to it, इसी तरह, which is parallel to it but passing through the optic center. Now, extend this ray such that, यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़, extend this ray such that it, okay, extend this ray such that it meets the convex lens, then afterwards it passes through this तरह, it passes through the point which is meeting. So this is the ray. Okay, so what is happening is it is meeting the point on the focal length at this, and this is the ray which is it. So इस तरह we have to draw the ray. Now for this ray, what you do is draw a ray which is, इसको जो है यहाँ draw कर रहे थे focal plane convex length के, but इसको इस तरफ draw करो. Draw a ray, draw a lane which is perpendicular to the principal axis. यहाँ पे भी principal axis को perpendicular डाले, यहाँ पे भी plane. So this focal plane, then see to it that when it hits the focal plane, then afterwards it hits the focal plane. See, it is diverging. इस तरह diverge हो रहा. When you extend this point, let us say, when you extend this point, it is meeting at the focal plane on some point. So now when you point this, you should draw a line which is perpendicular, which is parallel to this. Then afterwards, it has to meet at this point. When you extend this point, it meets this point at the point. So that is the ray. Okay. So now these two are woven. Now let us come to convex lens experiment, lab activity. See, convex lens, see, you are given a convex lens, observing the types of images and measurements of focal length and object distance and V for a given lens, convex lens of focal length. So for this you require little more than table of more than 2 meters, a candle, a convex lens, then a convex lens, then a screen, then a meter scale, then table. ये पूरा मीटर स्केल और कॉन्वेक्स, देन वी स्टैंड, you place the V stand on the table. See, this is the table. You place the V stand on the table, little more than that. Then at the midpoint you keep the V stand. On it you place the convex lens. Then afterwards, then measure the known focal length. Then mark the known focal length F, uska double C. Okay. Then afterwards start the experiment. यहाँ पे let us start with, let us say you keep the object, that is the candle. Candle is the object. Object at 60 centimeters से शुरू करो. See, you keep the object at 60 centimeter. Non focal length तो आपको मालूम होगा. So 60 centimeters you keep it and try to obtain the image. Image कैसा? First you keep the light the candle immediately and see into it. Screen जो है उस you take the paper and it take a इस तरह पेपर स्क्रीन पे रख के अब ये कैंडल लाइट करने के बाद लेट अस से दिस इज द कैंडल. यू ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस और इस तरह यू स्टार्ट एडजस्टिंग द स्क्रीन. ऑन दिस यू विल गेट ए शैडो ऑफ द पेपर डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स विच वी हैव लर्न फॉर दिस. सिंस दिस इज ए कॉन्वेक्स लेंस 6 टाइप्स ऑफ इमेजेस विल गेट. सो वो 6 टाइप्स ऑफ इमेजेस में फार ऑफ रहा तो पॉइंट साइज, देन इन्वर्टेड. सो मोस्ट ऑफ देम रियल इमेज. So like this. Now for each of the distance you measure the length of the image. Image कैसा? See, object distance तो यहाँ से आ गया u. Then image distance screen से लेके यहाँ तक, screen से लेके इसके focal इसका optic center तक. Okay, so that will give you. So but we know the focal length. So like this. Then we will get all the values here. Then you will get non focal length. Then you will get a relationship. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So for always each of them, for this value changes. So this you will understand from that. Now there are some questions. Can you get an image on the screen for every object distance? हर object distance पे far of infinite रखे तो just now we have seen convex lens पे point sized image first one. Then उसी तरह between focal length and convex lens रखे तो image नहीं आ रहा स्क्रीन पे. दैट इज इट. सो यू कैन नॉट गेट. नाउ कैन यू फाइंड द मिनिमम लिमिटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग ए रियल इमेज. रियल इमेज के लिए व्हाट इज द मिनिमम ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस? सी, फार ऑफ रखे तो आ जा रहा. नाउ सी पे रखे तो आ रहा. सो लाइक दिस यू फाइंड आउट. एफ से जरा लेट अस से यू आर कीपिंग बिटवीन एफ और सी का हाफ कितना है एफ. सो एफ पे रखे आ रहा इमेज, यू आर गेटिंग ए virtual, we are getting a real image big size. तो वो वाला image is the minimum focal length. Focal. Now see what do you call this minimum limiting object distance for image? So you call that as focal length. Now see when you do not get an image on the screen, try to see the image with your eye directly from the place of the screen. इस तरह ये screen में नहीं आया तो image you see in the lens. So what is happening? You will get a virtual image. इस तरह स्क्रीन में ये दिखाई देगा. सो दैट इज द वर्चुअल इमेज. नो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इमेज यू सी, दैट इज क्वेश्चन में टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया वर्चुअल इमेज. नाउ यू विल सी ए मैग्निफाइड इमेज ऑन द सेम साइड वेयर वी केप्ट. दिस इज वर्चुअल इमेज. सो ये तो आंसर दिया हुआ. कैन यू फाइंड द इमेज डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस वर्चुअल डिस्टेंस? इसमें क्या है वर्चुअल डिस्टेंस का इमेज कैसा पहचानोगे? नाउ सी इफ इन टेबल 1 यू गॉट ए डिफरेंट वैल्यू ऑफ V फॉर द पोजिशन ऑफ द कैंडल. सो कुड यू फाइंड द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द लेंस फॉर द वैल्यूज रिकॉर्डेड? देन there is a relationship for each of the value of U and V. Its value and U it changes. V का value change हुआ तो U का value also changes. जैसा characteristics में 6 diagrams you have seen. So that is it. Now there is also one derivation of the formula. Tomorrow we will see, that is this one 1 by V minus 1 by UF. This is practical lab activity method demonstration. उसी तरह questions also will be asked in this lab activity. See, in case if we keep the candle far off, what will happen? If we keep the candle beyond C2, what will happen? So if we keep the candle on C, what will happen? If keep the candle between C and F, what will happen? If they keep the candle on F, what will happen? So each of them characteristics. तो कल मैं diagram draw करके explain करा इस तरह. So if we keep the candle between F and optic center, what will happen? So these things here we will get virtual image. बाकी के पूरे जगह we will get real image but inverted. Okay. So these things are characteristics for a convex lens. Next class we will study about this. What is the lens formula derivation by graphical method. Thank you, children.